So good day, sir. Today I will doing the last course output, which is static routing configuration. So based on the given network diagram. So first is maglagay tayo ng router. So gagamit tayo ng 1841. So lagyan natin dito 1 2 1841 na router. Tingnan natin. So each routers is may tigda dalawang end devices. So magdagdag tayo ng 6 na PC. So 1 2 So ito delete na lang natin tong PC0 para mamaya is hindi na tayo mag-rename. So delete lang natin tong PC0. So delete. So PC1. So dito 'yan. So pababa lang natin 'to unti. Yan. Ito din. Yan dito. So PC1, then PC2 is dito. Yan. Then next PC3 is dito siya. So isin lang natin siya PC3. Then next PC4 is dito. Yan, PC4. Then PC5 is dito. Then PC6 is last is dito. So next is mag-add tayo ng cable sa mga end devices. So connected to router or going to router is gagamit tayo ng crossover. So PC2 tayo muna. So then crossover. Then PC2 fast Ethernet 0 going to router 1 fast Ethernet 0/0. Then next is PC5 fast Ethernet 0 going to router 1 fast Ethernet 01. So rename lang natin to para hindi tayo malito. So this is router 1, this is router 2, and this is router 3. Yan, this is router 3. So next tayo is sa may router 2. So router 3 ay router 2 tama. So PC1, so crossover wire. So fast Ethernet 0 going to router 2 fast Ethernet 0/0. Then next is PC4 fast Ethernet 0 going to router 2 fast Ethernet 01. Next is router 3. So next is PC6 fast Ethernet 0 going to router 3 fast Ethernet 0/0. Next is PC3 fast Ethernet 0 going to router 3 fast Ethernet 0/1. So maglalagay muna tayo ng mga module sa mga router. So dito muna tayo sa router 1. So off natin to. Then maglagay tayo ng WIC 2T. Tama. So lagay natin dito sa router 1, then on natin to, then X, then router to then. So off natin to, WIC 2T, then lagay natin diyan, then on, then X, WIC 2T. X natin, then router 3. So, off natin din ito. So, WIC2T, lagay natin dito, then on. So, tapos na tayo. So, sa router 1 is going to router 3 and the router gagamit tayo ng DC ito. So, next steps na tayo. So, gagamit tayo dito ng DC. DC ba? Opo, DC. So, serial port sa router 1. Serial port 01 going to router 3. Serial port 0/0/1. Next is router 3. So, serial port 0/0/0 going to serial port router 2. Serial port in 0/0/0/1. So, next is router 2. Serial port 0/0/0 going to router 1. Serial port 0/0/0. So, arrange lang po natin. Yan. Arrange lang natin siya. So, next is description siya ng mga PC. So, maglagay tayo. So, sa PC 1 is 765 hosts. So, maglagay tayo. 765 host. So, PC 1, 765 hosts. Ayusin lang natin. Then, PC 4 is 150 hosts. 150 host. Then, ayusin lang natin. Yan. Then, next is PC 3. PC 3 is 50 host. Yan natin dito. 50 host. Yan, ayusin lang natin. 50 host. Then, PC 6, 900 host. 900 host. Next is PC 5 with 125 host. 125 host. 125 host. Ayusin lang natin. Then next is PC 2 which is 350 host. 350 host. So ayusin lang natin ulit. Then double check natin. 765 host, 150 host, 50 host, then 900 host, 125 host, and 350 host. So, next is maglalagay na tayo ng mga fast ethernet ito. Lagay na natin siya dito sa mga katapat niya. So, dito sa may PC2, going to router 1 is fast ethernet 0/0. So, ito. So, ayusin lang natin. Then next is PC5. So, going to router 1. So, ito siya. Fast ethernet 0/1. So, ayusin lang natin siya. Yan. Next is PC6 going to router 3. So, PC6 going to router 3 is fast ethernet 0/0. So, ito siya. Lagay lang natin siya dito. Yan. Then, next is PC3 going to router 3 is fast ethernet 0/1. So, dito siya. Fast ethernet 0/1. Yan. Next is PC1 going to router 2 is uh, right router 2 rather. So R positor net 0/0. So ayusin lang natin to. Ano natin dyan. Yan. Then next PC4 going to router 2 is positor net 0/1. So ayusin lang natin ulit. Yan. So, double check natin positor 0, positor 01, positor net 00, positor net 0/1, positor net 0/1, positor net 0/2. So, sa kwan naman tayo serial port serial interface. So, first is router 1 going to router 2. Oh. So, ito siya. So, serial interface 0/0/0. So, dito siya. Yan. Next is router 1 going to router 2 naka DCE siya. So, yun natin. DCE serial interface 0/0/1. So, ayusin lang natin siya. Then next is router 3 going to router 2 is serial interface 0/0/1. Ito pala, naka DCE. So, DCE serial interface 0/0/0. So, ayusin lang natin siya. Yan. DCE serial. Next is router 3 going to router 1 is ito siya. So, lagay natin serial interface 0 0 0/0/1. So, ayusin lang ulit natin siya. Ito siya. So, next is router 2 naman going to router 1. So, ito siya naka-DC ulit. DCE serial interface 0/0/0. So, ayusin lang ulit natin. So, next is router 2 going to router 3. Ito siya. So, serial interface 0/0/1. So, ayusin lang ulit natin. Yan. So, next is magko-configure na tayo ng mga PC. So, first PC is dito muna sa PC2. So, yung bago natin mag-PC, double check muna natin. DCE, serial interface 0/0/1. Serial 0 DCE, that's 1. DCE 0/0/1. 0. So, tama naman. So, muna tayo sa PC2. So, desktop, IP configuration. So, dito natin siya makikita. Ito. So, PC2 na una ito, PC2. So, ito yung IP address niya. Copy lang natin. PC2, Control V. Then, yung kunin natin yung subnet mask niya. Excuse me. Then, yung default gateway niya, PC2. So, IP address is 192.168.9.254. 255 yung subnet mask. 255.254.0. Then, yung default gateway is 192.168.11.8.1. So, next sa PC 5. desktop, IP configuration, PC5 ito. So ito yung IP address niya. Copy natin. 192.168.11.126 tapos ito yung subnet mask niya. Copy lang natin. Then paste. 255.255.255.128. Then next natin is yung default gateway. Ito. Copy lang natin. 192.168.11.1. So next tayo is sa PC6. Desktop, IP configuration. So PC6 ito. So ito yung IP address niya. Control V. Then ito yung subnet mask niya. 255.255.252.0. Tapos ito naman yung default gateway niya. 192.168.0.1. So next naman tayo. Next is PC3. So PC3 na tayo. So desktop, IP configuration. So PC3. Tama. PC3 then ito yon. IP address kunin natin. Then paste natin. Then 192.168.11.190. So ito yung subnet mask niya. Copy lang natin. Copy lang natin yung subnet mask niya. So, 255.255.255.192. Then, yung default gateway niya. Uh, 192.168.11.129 sa PC3. So, next tayo. So, PC1. So, ito. So, PC1, desktop, IP configuration. Then, PC1, tama. PC1. So, dito, copy natin to. 192.168.7.254. Next is subnet mask. Copy lang natin. Then, lagay natin dito. 255.255.252.0. So, yung default gateway niya naman niya is copy lang din natin. Then, lagay natin dito. 192.168.4.1. So, last tayo sa my PC4. So, desktop, IP configuration. PC4. So, siya. Then, 192.168.11.254. 192.168.11.254. Then, yung subnet mask niya is 255.255.255.0. Then, yung default gateway niya naman is 192.168.10.1. So, next natin is configure natin yung mga routers for basic configuration. So, dito sa R1, CLI. So, next na tayo. So, lagyan natin dito is no. Tapos enter ulit. Then, enable. enter, configure terminal, configure terminal, enter. Then next is host name, host name R1, host name. Host name is router 1. So enable. Next is enable secret class. Enable secret class. So double check natin enable secret class. Then enter ulit tayo. No IP. No IP domain lookup. Double check natin no IP domain lookup. Enter natin. Then yung banner natin, banner MOTD number sign and authorize unauthorized is double check, unauthorized is strictly prohibited. 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 So number sign ulit. Strictly prohibited. So enter tayo. So next is line console 0. So line console 0, then enter tayo. Then line console 0, then password natin. Password is Cisco. Password Cisco. Enter natin. Tapos login. Password Cisco login. Then line VTY 04. Line VTY 04. Then enter natin. Password Cisco. Password Cisco, enter. Then login tayo. Yan. Password Cisco login. Then next is i-configure natin yung fast ethernet 0/0 and fast ethernet 0/1 sa router 1. So lagyan natin yung interface fast ethernet 0/0. Interface fast ethernet 0/0. Interface fast ethernet 0/0. Then enter. Then next is yung IP address. IP address. So ito siya. 192.168.8.1. 192.168.8.1. Double check natin. 192.168.8.1. Then yung subnet mask niya is 255.255.255.252. Ay, 254 pala. 255.255.254. Dot 0. Double check natin. 255.255.254.0. So enter natin. 192.168.8.1. Then 255.255.255. Tapos no shutdown. No shutdown. Then enter. So yon. Nag-up na yung connection natin. So enter ulit. Then next interface. Ito naman is sa fast ethernet 0/1. So interface fast ethernet 0 slash interface 0 fast ethernet 0/1. So enter natin. So IP address 192.168.11.194. 192.168.11.194. Mali. Tapos ito yung pala. 192 to pala. 192.168.11.1 pala. .11.1. So double check natin 192.168.11.1 din yung subnet mask niya is 255.255.255.252. 255.255.255.252. 255 192.168.11.1 then 255.255.255.252. Then enter natin. So no shutdown yet. No shut down. No shutdown. No shutdown. Then enter. So yon. Nag-acknowledge siya. So next natin is sa serial naman po. So enter ulit. So interface serial interface 0/0/0. Interface 0 serial interface 0/0/0. Then enter. Then IP address ulit. IP address 192.168.11.194. So IP address is 192.168.11.194. So 192.168.11.194. So enter. Yung subnet mask nun is 255.255.255.252. Double check natin 255.255.255.252. 192.168.11.194, 255.255.255.252. So enter natin. No shutdown. No shutdown. So enter. So yan, enter. So next is sa DCE serial interface 0/0/1. So dito is gagamit tayo ng clock kapag DTAs hindi tayo gagamit ng clock rate. So lagyan natin interface serial interface 0/0/1 interface. This serial interface is 0/0/1. Then enter natin IP address 192.168.11.201 to siya. So lagyan natin 192.168.11.201. So double check natin 192.168.11.201. Then yung subnet mask niya is 255.255.255.252. Double check natin 255.255.255.252. So ito siya. 255.255. 255.255.255.252. IP address. Then enter. So next natin is kasi DCE siya clock rate 9,600. No shutdown. Next clock rate. Then enter. No shutdown. No shutdown. So enter. So next natin is sa mga nakakonect na yung devices sa router 1. So ito siya. Router 1. So meron siyang PC1, PC4, PC6, and PC3. So continue lang natin. So IP route, IP route the 192.168.4.0. So, ito siya. 192.168.4.0. So, siya sa PC1. So ito yung network address, ito siya. 192.168.4.0, then yung subnet mask niya is 255.255.252.0. So ito naman yung subnet mask niya. 255.255.252.0 to siya. Then next is yung exit port, which is 192.168.11.193. So makita natin siya dito sa 192.168.11.193. Ito siya. 192.168.11.193. So double check lang natin. So 192.168.4.0 is yung network address. 255.255.255.0 is yung subnet mask. 192.168.11.193 is yung exit port. So ito is serial port router 2. Router 2 siya makikita to. Ito. Yan. 193. So enter tayo. Next is IP route. Ulit IP route. 192.168.10.0. So 192.168.10.0. So makititingin natin siya dito sa 168.8.0. So sa 350 host. So 350 host is C 192.168.10.0. Ito, 150 host. Ito siya. Sa PC4. 192.168.10.0, then yung subnet mask niya is 255.255.255.0. So dito naman yung subnet mask niya is ito. 255.255.255.0 is sa router 2. Ito siya. Ito na yun. Ito. 255.255.255.0. Ay, router 3. Router 2 tama. 255.255.255.0. 255.255.255.0, then enter 192 yung exit port dot 168.11.193. 192.168.11.193. Ito siya. 192.168.11.193 yung exit port niya. Ulit. 192.168.11.193. So enter lang tayo. 192.168.11.193. So next naman tayo is IP route ulit. IP route. So yung network address of 192.1 excuse me 68.0.0. So siya 192.168.0. That's yung 900 host. 192.168.0.0. Then yung subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. dot 252 dot 0. 255 dot 255 dot 252 dot 0. So 255 dot 255 dot 252 dot 0. So ito siya. Then next is yung exit port niya is 192 192.168.11.202 192.168.11.202. Dito kanina sa una sim lang sila kasi sim lang na raw. 192.168.11.202 then enter. Then IP route ulit, IP route 192.168.11.128. So 192.168.11.128 ito siya. Si 50 host 192.168.11.128, then yung subnet mask niya is 255.255.255.192. So check natin 255.255.255.192. 255.255.255.192. So next is exit port 192.168.11.202 ulit, same lang sila. Nandito kasi same lang, 192.168.11.202. 192.168.11. Next is IP route ulit. IP route 0.0.0.0 and 0.0.0.0.0 0.0.0.0 then 0.0.0.0 then yung exit port na una is 192.168.11.193. 192.168.11.193 then enter. Then IP route ulit, IP route 0.0.0.0 then space 0.0.0.0 0.0 192, oops, kulang 0 then space 0.0.0.0 then 192.168.2 dot 11.202 dot 11.202 0.0.0.0.0 then 0.0.0.0 then 92.168.11.202. So enter. So done na tayo sa router 1. So router 2 naman tayo. Router 2 to. Then CLI. Then lagyan natin dito ulit no. Enter ulit. Then enable configure terminal. Same process lang. Configure terminal. So enter lang tayo. Then next is hostname. Hostname is router. Router 2. Hostname router 2. So enter. Enable secret class. Enable secret class. Enable secret class. So enter tayo. Enable secret class. Enable secret class no IP domain look up. Look up. No IP domain look up. No IP domain look up. No IP domain look up. Banner MOTD number sign unauthorized banner MOTD number sign unauthorized is strictly prohibited. Prohibited. Is strictly prohibited. Then number sign ulit. Then enter. Banner MOTD, tama ba? Unauthorized is strictly prohibited. Then next is line console 0. Line console 0. Then enter. Then password natin is Cisco password. Cisco. Password Cisco. Then enter. Login. Login. Then line VTY 0 and 4. Line VTY 04. Enter. Then password ulit. Cisco. Password is Cisco. Then enter. Then login. Password Cisco. Then login. Password Cisco din. So next is magko-configure po i-configure po natin yung fast Ethernet 0/0 and fast Ethernet 0/1 sa PC 1 and PC 4. So, PC 1 and PC 4. Next is interface ulit. Interface patuloy lang po to. Interface fast Ethernet 0/0 interface fast Ethernet 0/0 then enter, then IP address niya, IP address 192.168.4.1. Double check natin 192.168.4.1, then yung subnet mask niya is 255.255.252.0 255.255.255.0 255.255.252.0. So dito pa yung makikita. So, yun. Ito po. Fast Ethernet 0 ng router 2. 192.168.4.1. Then 255.255.255.2.0. So enter tayo. IP address. IP address. IP address then yung IP address is 192.168. Ay, mali pala. Interface IP address 192.168.4.1.255.255.252.0. Then no shutdown pala to. No shutdown. Mamaya pala yung fast Ethernet 0/1. No shutdown. No shutdown. Then enter. Ayan, so nag-down na po yung nag-up na po yung kaya natin. Then enter ulit. Then, lagay natin na yung fast internet 0/1. Interface, fast internet 0/1. Gawin natin interface, um, interface 0/1, ayan. Interface, fast internet 0/1, then enter. Then, IP address na. IP address, 192.168.10.1. 192.168.10.1. So, makita natin yung 192.168.10.1. 192.168.10.1. Then, yung subnet mask niya is 255.255.255.0. Natin 255.255.255.0. So, ito po siya. 255.255.255.0, then enter. So, no shutdown. Shutdown. Check natin no shutdown, then enter. So, nag-up na po ulit yung um, nag-up na po ulit yung nilagay natin. So, enter ulit tayo. So, next is serial connection router 3 going to router 1. Ito po. Router 3 going to router 1. So, router 3 going to and interface and router 3 going to router 2. Router 3 going to router 2. So, interface po tayo. So, ako na po to serial interface 0/0/0. Interface, 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 serial interface 0/0/0. Tama. Serial interface 0/0/0. Interface 0/0/0. Then, enter tayo. Then, lagay natin yung IP address. IP address. IP address. So, yung IP address niya is 192.168 dot 11.193. Double check natin IP address 192.168.11.193. So, interface ito. 192.168.11.1. Ito siya. Serial interface 0/192.168.11.193. Then, yung subnet mask niya is 255.255.255.252. 255.255.252. 255.255.252 siya. 255.255.252. Then, enter tayo. Then, dahil naka-DCE siya, so yan. DCE. To. So, maglagay tayo ng clock rate. Clock rate 9,600. Dahil naka-DCE. Clock rate 9,600. Then, no shutdown. Shutdown. No shutdown. And enter ulit natin. Then, yon siya. Nag-up na siya. So, next tayo is sa serial interface 0/0/1. So, interface ulit. Interface. Interface. Interface 0/0/1. Interface. Serial interface. Serial 0/0/1. So, ito naman router 3. going to router 1. Router 3 going to, makita, router 1. Ito, serial interface serial. And interface serial slash dot 0 dot slash 1. Then enter. Then IP address niya, IP address is 192.168.11.198. 192.168.11.198. 192.168.11.198. So, dito po siya yan. Router. 192.168.11.198. Then, yung IP address niya is 255.255.255.252. 255.255.255.252. So, enter natin. Dahil kung siya dito is no shutdown na. No shutdown. No shut. So, enter. So, next is magko-configure natin yung mga end devices. End devices ng router na nakakonect sa router 2. So, which is PC2, PC2, PC5, PC6, and PC3. So, mag-configure na tayo. So, exit. Then, IP route 192.168.11.0. So, ito yung network address niya. 192.168.11.0. So, dito siya makikita. 192.168.11.0. So, 125 host. 192.168.11.0. So, yung subnet mask niya is 255.255.255.128. 255.255.128. So, ito siya. 255.255.255.128. So, ito yung subnet mask niya. 255.255.255. Then, enter. Then, yung exit port niya is 192.168.11.194. I-double check natin. 192.168.11.194. Ito siya. 192.168.11.194. So, tama. 192.168.11.194. So, enter. IP route ulit. IP route 192. So, ito naman is kay 192.168.8.0. So, ito siya. 192.168.8.0 host. So, yung subnet mask niya is 255.255.252.0. 255.255.0. Then, yung exit port niya is 192.168.11.194. So, ito yung kanya, yung subnet mask niya. Then, yung exit port niya is 192.168.194. So, ito siya. 192.168.11. Same lang sila. So, double check natin. 192.168.8.0. 255.255.252. 92.168.11.194. So, enter. So, IP route ulit. IP route. Then, 192. 192.168.0.0. So, ito naman. 192.168.0.0 is 900 host. Oh, 192.168.0.0. Then enter 255 dot, excuse me, 252.0. 255.255.252.0. Then yung exit port niya is 192.168.11.202. Double check lang natin. 255.255.252, then 192.168.11.202. So nakuha siya dito. Yung subnet mask is 255.255.252.0. Ito siya. Then yung exit port niya is 192.168.11.202. So 192.168.11.202. So next tayo, IP route. And 192.168.11.128. 192.168.11.128. So 128 ito siya. Si 50 host 192.168.11.128. 192.168.11.128. Then yung subnet mask is 255.255.255.192. 255.255.255.192. So double check ng 255.255.255.192. So nakuha natin siya. 255.255.255.192. Ito siya. Sa router 3 sa 255.255.255.192. So next is yung exit port niya. So exit port niya is 192.168.11.202. Same lang sila kasi same lang ang router. 192.168.11.202. So enter. So IP route ulit. IP route 0.0.0.0 0.0.0.0. So 0.0.0.0 and then 0.0.0.0. Then next is yung exit port ng dalawa. So 192.168.11.194. 192.168.11.194. So enter tayo. IP route ulit. IP route 0.0.0.0 space 0.0.0.0. Then yung exit port niya is 192.168.11.202. So dahil check natin 192.168.11.202. So enter. So done na tayo sa router 2. Next naman natin is sa router 3. Router 3 na tayo. So CLI. So next is no enter, then enter ulit, just enable, same process lang kanina, enable, then configure terminal. Double check natin, configure terminal para hindi magkamali. Just enter. Then next natin is hostname. Hostname is router 3 naman, R3. Hostname R3. Then enter. Enable secret class. Enable secret class. Ay, mali yung spelling. Enable secret class. Enable secret class. Then enter. Then no IP. Domain. Look. up. Wait, mali. No IP domain lookup. No IP domain. No IP domain lookup. Then enter natin. Then banner. Banner. MOTD. So ito yung banner natin. Number sign. Number sign. Unauthorized. Unauthorized is strictly prohibited. Unauthorized is strictly prohibited. Yan, para maganda. Unauthorized is strictly prohibited. Then enter. Then line console 0. Line console 0. Line console 0. Then enter. Password natin. Password is Cisco. Password is Cisco. Then enter. Login. Then enter ulit. Line BTY 04. Line BTY 04. Then enter. Password ulit. Cisco. Password Cisco. Then enter. Login. Then enter ulit. So next is magko-configure natin yung mga fast Ethernet 0/0 and fast Ethernet 0/1 sa router 1 in router 1. So dito sa router 1. So lagyan natin interface fast Ethernet 0/0 tama. Interface fast Ethernet 0/0 then enter. Then IP address is 192.168.8.1 255.255.254.0. So 192.168.8.1. So dito yan. 192.168.0 ay 192.168.8 ito dot 1 then 255.255.254.0. So 255.255.254.0 then enter. So no shutdown. No shutdown. So yung no shutdown. So yun nag-up na po yung connection. So enter ulit pa tayo. So interface fast Ethernet 0/1 naman. Interface interface fast Ethernet 0/1 naman. So enter. Then IP address 192.168.11.1 enter. Then 255.255.255.252. Double check natin. 192.168.11.1.2 255.255.255.252. So 192.168.11. Ito yung 1 yan. IP address 192.168.11.1. So enter natin. Enter. Then dito yung shutdown. No shutdown. No shutdown. Then enter. So next is serial naman po. So enter ulit tayo. Then interface interface, serial interface, serial 0/0/0, interface, serial 0/0/0, then enter tayo, then IP address, IP address 192.68.11.194, 192.168.11.194. Yeah, 192.168.11.194. And subnet mask niya is 255.255.255.252. Double check natin 255.255.255.252. So, okay. Then, enter, no, shut down. So, yan, nag-up na po siya. Then, enter ulit. So, next is serial interface 0/0/1. So, dito is gagamit tayo ng mali pala. Kaya pala mali. Okay. So, WIC2T to. Ito natin kasi may error. Then on lang natin. Yan yung connection niya. Kaya pala mali ako kanina. Kaya pala mali pala kanina. So, next is sa PC2. Ito, router, router 2, ay, router 3, router 3 serial interface series going to router 2, then is router 3, so nakita natin yung pag-configure ay sa simple configuration ng router 3. So, nagkamali. So, CLI. So, wait. No. Then, enable. Then enable configure to kaya pala namuli ko kanina. Secret class. IP domain. Yung banner. Debited. Then line console 0. Password. Resume. Password Cisco na. Password Cisco. Then login. Then line VTY. Line VTY 0. Then password ulit. Password Cisco. Password Cisco. And login. Then, next is ko-configure po natin yung fast Ethernet 0/0 and fast Ethernet 0/1. And first is interface fast Ethernet 0/0/0 interface fast Ethernet 0s. Then IP address is 192.168.0.1. Ito, router 3, 192.168.0.1. 2.168.0.1. And then 255.252.0. 252. So, shutdown tayo. No shutdown. So, enter. Spelling. Yan. Nagap na siya. So, enter ulit tayo. Then, interface. Interface fast Ethernet 0/1 naman tayo. So, IP address 192.168.11.194. 192.168.11.129. 192.168.11.129. Then subnet mask niya is 255. 255.255.192. 255.255.192. So enter tayo. Tapos no shutdown. So yan, nag-enter tayo ulit. Next is yung serial connection. So interface S is 0/0/0. P series enter, then IP address, IP address 192.168.11.197. Double check natin 192.168.11.197. 192.168.11.197 sa yung IP address naman niya is 255.255.255.192. 255.255.255.1 255. Hindi 192. 255.255.255.255.255.255.252. So enter. Next is kasi naka-DCE siya, so clock rate tayo. Clock rate 9600. Enter. Then no shut down. So yan, nag-up na siya. Next is interface serial 0/0/1 naman na. Interface SE interface serial interface serial 0/0/1. So next is IP address 192.168.11.202. 192.168.11.202, tama. Ito siya. Then IP address niya 255.255.255.252 kasi same yung sila. So enter, no shut down. Enter. Sip tayo. Sip. So next is i-configure natin yung end devices ng router na makaka-connect sa router 3, which is PC1, PC1, PC4, PC2, and PC5. So continue lang continue lang natin. So IP route 192.168.11.0. So ito yung network address 192.168.11.0. So 125 hosts 192.168.11.0. So next is 255, yung network subnet mask niya is 255.255.255.128. 255.255.255.128. So dito naman is yung kanya 255.255.255.128. So next tayo is may exit port 192.168.11.201. 192.168.11.201. So ito naman yung exit port niya 192.168.11.201. 192.168.11.201. So enter lang natin. Ay, malit na yan. Wait lang natin. IP route 192.168.11.0 255.255.1.2.168.11.201. Okay. Okay, router 3. Invalid input detected. Spelling. Okay. Wait nga. Wait nga eh. So, nagkamali tayo. Ulitin na lang natin yung router 3. So, sorry. WIC2T. WIC2T. Yun naman siya. LI. No. So, ulitin lang natin yung process. Kung nagkamali tayo. Enter. So, enable. Configure terminal. Configure terminal. Host name. Ay, R3. Host name R3. Then, enable secret class. Enable secret class. Then, no IP domain lookup. No IP domain lookup. Then, enter. Then, banner. Banner. MOTD. On all. Authorized. Strictly. Row AB, ed. Enter, line, console, 0, line console 0, password, Cisco. Line console 0, password, Cisco. Then login. Then line, VTY, 0, and port line. Password, Cisco. Login. Then continue tayo sa next is configure po natin yung fast ethernet 0/0 and fast ethernet 0/1. So interface, fast ethernet 0/0, IP address, IP address 192.168.0.1. Then yung submission is 255.255.252.0. 192.168.0.1. Then 255.255.252.0. Then no shutdown. Interface, fast ethernet 0/1. Interface, fast ethernet 0/1. IP address, IP address 192.168.11.129. 192.168.11.129. Then 255.255.255.192. 255.255.255.192. Then no shutdown. No shutdown. No shutdown. Yun, nag-up na po siya. Then interface. Interface 0/0/0. Consider 0, consider 0/1. Serial interface 0/0/0. Then enter IP address dot 168.11.197. 192.1. Two five five 252. Then tile naka DCE siya, so clock rate. Clock rate 600. Clock rate. Clock rate 600. So, no. One nine two dot 168.11.202 255.255 dot 255.52 shut no shutdown. Next is magko-configure na tayo ng end devices ng router na mako-connect sa router 3, which is PC1, PC4, PC2 and PC5. IP route 255.255.255. So, lagyan na lang natin yung mga nilagay natin kanina kasi nag-con siya, nagkamali. 192.168 192.168.11.0 255.255.255.128 192.168.11.201 enter. IP route 192.168.8.0 then 255.255.254.0 yung subnet mask niya, and then yung exit port niya is 192.168.11.201, same lang sila. So dito 192.168, so ito siya 192.168 .8.0. So 192.168.8.0. Kukuha lang natin yung mga number of hosts niyan, yung mga network address nila. So double check natin 192.168.8.255.255.254.0 192.168.11.201. So enter. IP route 192.168.4.0. So 192.168.4.0 then 255.255.252 252.0 255.255.252.0 then space yung exit port niya is 192.168.11.193 192.168.11.193 IP route 192.168.10.0 255 yung ito sa 192. Ito siya 150 host 255 yung subnet mask niya is 255.255.193 255.0, 255.255.255.0, then yung exit port niya is 192.168.11.193. 192.168.11.193, same lang sila. So enter tayo, then IP route 0.0.0.0 space 0.0.0.02424, then yung exit port na nilagay natin sa una is 192.168.11.201, 192.168.11.201, 192.168.11.201, then enter. IP route 0.0.0.0 space 0.0.0.0.0 0.0.0.0.0, then 0.0.0.0.0, then yung exit port ng last is 192.168.11.193, 192.168.11.193. So enter. So done na tayo. So next is simulation na. So palakin lang natin to. So next is simulation. So edit filters, ICMP, then PC1. Ilagay tayo PC1 going to PC2, then PC1 going to PC6. Ulit lang natin mali. PC1 going to PC2, PC1 going to PC6. So try natin. So wait lang natin. Wait lang natin. So wait na natin at ulitin natin kasi may kwan. In progress pa lang. So PC1, PC2, PC1, PC6. Then try natin simulation. So wait lang natin siya. So successful na. So mag-add lang tayo ng mga iba. So PC1 going to PC3, PC4 going to PC2, PC3 going to PC6, and PC6 going to PC4, and PC2 going to PC1. So, try natin. So, wait lang natin sila. So, yan, nagpa-process na yung kwan. Papalitan na sila ng information. So, wait lang natin sila. So, may mga successful na dito. So, wait lang natin sila. Wait lang natin na matapos. So, makikita dito na successful na lahat. So, wait na lang natin. So, tagal ata to. Save muna natin. Fine. Save as. Desktop na lang. So, this is IPI static routing. Static routing configuration. Static routing configuration. So, yan. Pass na. So, that's all, sir. Thank you.